Hello and welcome everyone. So I brought you with a brand new video, and this video is about Python and Kivy library. I have created a small project with the help of Python and Kivy. So here is the Python code. I am just showing it to you. It is a small project. I will be explaining all the code in the upcoming videos and in this video too. So stay tuned guys, and I want to say to you that I'm a complete beginner, and as you can understand from my code, and I'm not a professional programmer. So this is the Python part, and this is the Kivy part. It is the Kivy language. So I have written all this code by myself, and getting help from YouTube and from other websites, some random websites. I have searching for all these uh, problems that I faced while building up this project. So if I run it, uh, this will be like this. This is the home window that will be open if I run the application. So there are three buttons and an empty space down here. I will explaining all these things one by one. So these two buttons are not functioning right now. These are just buttons. That is the basic list and the data list. These are not the buttons that are concerned in these videos. I will be working with this button, the add employee. So when I hit enter, it gives us a transition, and then it comes to the next window. That is this window. So it is like I have created the idea of like a pay slip for an employee, which a boss or which a manager will give or make for his employees. So here is the date. It will be showing the date by itself. Then the second label comes with the name and the text box, and these all labels and text boxes. And then there are these three buttons. These all buttons are working, and I will be showing that how I made them function. So when I hit back, so it will come back to the home window when I okay. So I will just go through what I have done uh, uh, in this project, and then explain it one by one in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. So uh, here is the name. You can write whatever the name. So I will write my name, my channel's name. It is not my original name. So I take when I hit enter, it comes to the next box automatically, and then here I can enter the basic salary. So the basic salary is 12,000, and then when I hit enter again, it will come to the next text box, and here it is the transport allowance. So transport allowance I will set it to 500, and when I hit enter, it comes to total leaves. While doing this, you can notice that final total it is retotaling, or it is totaling by itself, and it is automatically retotaling it in here like a calculator or some uh, Excel sheet. So then here is the total leaves. When I uh, in here we will be entering the total leaves that the employee had taken. So when I enter the total leaf, the amount of the leaves, there the deduction is calculated by the computer itself or by the application itself. So when I enter these leaves, you see, you noticed that the bonus appears by itself. This bonus is non-editable. I cannot edit it. So it is it is in read-only mode. I will be explaining all these things that I have done one by one, and so now we will be just I will just showing you that how it works. So when I enter two leaves, there is the employee has taken two leaves in the whole month, then the bonus becomes zero by itself, and the reduction you see. Uh, so uh, then we and I hit enter. Um, so it will skip the bonus part because I cannot edit it. It is in the read only mode, and then it will come to the extra reduction. Here I can enter the extra reduction if I want to deduct some mm, extras from the employee. So if I deduct some 900 bucks from the employee in the wake up, what that he might be coming late. So here I will add the description that he is coming late. So for late coming, late coming. So here is the description for the extra deduction, and this is his final uh, salary that he will receive. So I can print it, and or I can save it to a text file so that the data is saved with me. So this is all, and then I will be explaining all these things that I have done in this video in the upcoming videos. So please stay tuned and please watch and please like and share if you like it, and if you want to support me, so like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.